Nick's with Nick Techniques. So today it is officially a year since I've been locked on my lock journey. It has been a roller coaster ride. So let me tell you what I'm moisturizing my hair with. I finally found the products that works for me. And it may work for you. So this is the reason why I'm making this video. So the first thing I use is the As I Am rosemary water. It comes in the Jamaican, it has the Jamaican water and also the rice water. But what I love about this is the tingling. I love the tingling on my scalp. I'm very tender-headed and I love the way it feels. So what I do is I put it in a bottle. I don't fill it all the way up. Once I put it in there, I use this the Lion Locs, the locking moisturizer. I love this. I put a little bit in there, and at first you'll see that it's floating in there, but it will dissolve. It will dissolve, as well as the wild growth oil and the Locology peppermint tea tree lock oil. I put a little bit of that. I shake it and I put it on my scalp, and I'm telling you, this will last a few days, at least 3 to 4 days, or you can use the rose water daily moisturizing refreshing spray. You can use this daily. You could put half of this and half of this, and then put the Lion in there. Also will moisturize. Or you could just leave it here, put it in here, put the Lion Lock in here, wild growth oil, and also the Locology. It will moisturize your hair. Now I have low porosity hair. And so for me, once I spray it on, I put a bag so it can seep into my strands. So that's what I have to do. And then also, don't forget the Dr. Locs, the Island Breeze Moisturizing Mix. I love this. You could put this in every 4 days and it will moisturize. And they also have it in the lemongrass as well. Oh, it smells so good. Both of these, they smell good in your hair. Now, I wash my hair every 2 weeks, depending on how my scalp feel, because I have dermatitis, so sometimes once a week. I said the last time I was twisting my hair, I was interlocking. I went back to interlocking because I tried the palm roll, but it doesn't last. But I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do because I don't want my hair to thin. So I'll figure that out, and when I do, I'll let you guys know. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. Here it is. Is it locked? Yes, it is locked. Sometimes when I wash my hair, you see little hairs coming out sometimes. But other than that, it is locked. So I'm going to show you guys. Here it is. And so with my hair being low porosity, it can get dry. So here's my locks. Very cute. I like how thick it is. So I was told that when you interlock it, the strands your locks may be a little thin, and I don't want that. So I'm going to have to figure that out. So I just wanted to come on to show you guys what I moisturize my hair with. I mean, sometimes I feel like it's good to share what you put in your hair so others will know, especially if you have low porosity hair. So with all that said, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.